If you want to hide photos or videos on POCO X7 Pro, the best way to do so is by using the Files app made by Google. Once you open it, then you can set up the Save folder. So you can tap on it, then you can choose the lock. It can be a pin code or a pattern. I'm gonna set up a pattern. We need to connect at least 5 dots, so let's draw a simple pattern in this case, and then let's press next. Of course, we need to remember our pattern in order to be able to use the Save folder. And now in order to hide something, we can go to images or videos. So if you, for instance, open images, then you can start selecting whatever you want to hide. So let's say I can press and hold my finger on this photo, and then I can select this one and then this one. And now if I want to hide these photos, I can press these 3 dots in the top right corner, and then I can move it to the Save folder. Of course, I need to draw the pattern in order to do that. And there we go. 3 files are now moved to the Save folder, and they are now hidden. You can also tap on a single photo, tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner, and here you can also move it to the Save folder, like so. The same goes with videos, it looks pretty much the same. In order to find those hidden photos and videos and everything that you have hidden in the Save folder, of course we need to tap on the Save folder, unlock it, and then here we have our photos, videos, and whatever we add here. In order to remove it from the Save folder and make it visible again in the gallery, etc., we can tap on the 3 dots on the right side of the photo or video and then choose to move out of the Save folder, or you can press and hold your finger once again and start selecting whatever you want to move out. Tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and then choose to move out of Save folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!